While we were visiting in Porto Santo Stefano in Italy, a Tuscan town that is on a prominent peninsula closer to Rome and Florence, we were treated to a Fiat 500 Club event.
Follow adventure, live your dreams, chase the sunsets, follow streams, one life, one chance comes.
It's often referred to as the Cinquecento Club of Italy. It's the largest single model automotive club in the world. It boasts over 22,000 active members. It was founded in 1984 and it's dedicated to preserving the history, the culture, and the passion surrounding the iconic vintage Fiat 500 known as the Cinquecento. There are over 200 regional rallies across Italy every year, and we were able to see one of the regional ones, and I'd like to share it with you. It was so exciting, and it reminded me of the Mille Miglia in Italy on the mainland that is run every spring, which is an antique car race. But this was just to show off the beauty of the Cinquecento and the iconic nature and the love that the Italians have for the automobile. The Fiat 500, or the Cinquecento, is one of Italy's most iconic cars with a history spanning nearly 70 years across three very distinct generations. The original Cinquecento was made in 1936, and it was called a Fiat 500 Topolino, or Little Mouse, a tiny economy car designed for inner city use. It was one of the smallest cars in the world at the time, and it helped motorize post-war Italy. There were various variations of changes from 1957, and it became a cultural symbol of La Dolce Vita era in Italian style, beloved across Europe. Over 3.8 million were built before production ended in 1975. And then in 2007, to mark the 50th anniversary of the Nuovo 500, or the new 500, Fiat launched the 500 in 2007 as a retro-style city-built car on the same platform as the Ford Ka car. It was an immediate hit, capturing the charm of the original while offering modern safety, comfort, and technology. Few cars have managed to represent an entire nation's identity as completely as the Fiat 500. It's a symbol of Italian design, urban mobility, and La Dolce Vita, and it remains one of Europe's best-selling cars today. So let's enjoy together the parade of these cars. It's about 3 or 4 minutes, and I hope you enjoy it.
Live your dreams, chase the sunsets, follow streams, one life.
Thank you
one
for
chance,
watching, and as
come
always, hit that
explore.
subscribe button, that notification bell, and see all the videos we have coming in the future. Thank you.
YOLO adventure! YOLO adventure!
Stars reach for the sky.